There is one more tool that we can find in a database that will help us. That's a thesaurus. A thesaurus in a database is a list of terms used to give consistent labels to articles which describe the same concept, but in a variety of ways. So how does this work? We're going to look at a thesaurus that's in a database called GenderWatch. Go to GenderWatch from the home page. Open GenderWatch. And we'll see that GenderWatch does not look like the other databases we've been looking at because we buy it from a different vendor. But everything we've been learning about databases transfers between databases, so we expect to find the same abilities in this database. So I'm going to go here to the thesaurus. I'm going to open the thesaurus, and a new window opens, and it says, what are the terms you want to search? So let's say I want to do something about LGBT college students. So I want to find out what this database calls that population. So I search for it, and indeed it comes up, but it wants to call that population LGBTQ. LGBTQ students and LGBTQ people. Both of them sound useful. So I could just click on them, and then I would have those in my search. The other thing I can do here is see what else they have to offer. So if I click on this little book icon, it says, look, here are other related terms. It describes what this term means in this place, and it says all these other things are possibly useful to you. Do you want any of those? And you can click and add those to your search. Notice it also says here, use this term for gay and lesbian students. Use this term for transgender students. So when I'm searching in this database, I don't want to say search for gay and lesbian students or transgender students. They would be included in this term LGBTQ students. So I'm going to throw that into my search. I'm going to add both of those and put together with an or, and I'm going to put them in my search. See, it just throws them right in my search. Is that not wonderful? And I do that search. And what I have here are all the things that indexers have decided are directly related to those topics.